Welcome to this series of questions posed by the public to us at Hospitality Sri Lanka, where they will be answered by Mr. Shafiq Wahab, who is a 30-year veteran of the hospitality industry. Today's question is from a front office manager at a resort in the Hill Country. He writes to us, "We hope to reopen our hotel to guests very soon. What we would like to know is, what do we have to tell them when they arrive for their staycation during these post-COVID times?"
Ashok, that's a very relevant question, and I think you need to first, or they need to first consider that communicating to your guests at the property itself is as important as what they tell them at the time the guests make the booking. No question about it. Health and safety are two top concerns for everyone, including guests and employees. And your guests will want to know about the additional steps you have taken to minimize the risk of infection. And so we're going to discuss a few recommendations that, if you take on board, can reassure your guests that they have selected a safe hotel to stay. Number one, you got to tell the guests they need to know that your number one priority is and has always been on your guests and, of course, employees. The number two is that you need to outline your actions, the actions you have taken for health and safety. Number three, briefly describe some of the enhanced sanitization protocols you have taken for the guest room, public areas, and even the back of office spaces. Number four, tell them about the precautions and the behavioral patterns you have taken, like social distancing, to limit contact. Number five, you got to tell them also any revisions on food and beverage, particularly if it is a guest who has stayed with you before COVID-19 and whose expectations may now differ. Number six, and finally, also tell your guests about the limitation in seating capacity in your restaurants and bars, so that they can ultimately take an informed decision when and where they should dine. Your statements must be clear, consistent, brief, and factual. Avoid making unsubstantiated claims like this is a COVID-free zone or room. There is no such thing as COVID-free in today's context unless it is on a deserted island. But you can make them feel that you have made every precaution possible to make their stay safe. Additional things you can do: put up a poster or a signboard at the main entrance called a safety sign that tells them what your safety policy is before they enter the hotel. Another one is to have a PR letter at the front desk that explains your hotel's PR response to the coronavirus. In brief, guests expect to know what you have done. You got to tell them what you have done, and you got to also tell them what you expect them to do during their stay with you, so that together you can make everybody's stay comfortable, safe, and pleasant. So that's about it in a nutshell.
Thank you. Thank you very much. So this is part of a series where we invite you, our loyal viewers, to write in to us. Do you have any questions, suggestions, complaints, problems, whatever you would like us to answer, write in to us. Reach us at hospitalitysrilanka.com is the email address. You can reach us on our website, hospitalitysrilanka.com as well, or our Facebook and Instagram channels. So take care for now, and looking forward to your questions.